Do you know the characteristics and applications of stainless steel flanges? In this video, I'll introduce stainless steel flanges. Their features include high strength, corrosion resistance, good plasticity, and machinability, long service life, environmental friendliness, recyclability, excellent insulation, and flow performance, reducing energy loss during water transport. Due to their unique properties, stainless steel flanges are mainly used in pipeline connections for industries like natural gas, petrochemicals, and boilers. Shaanxi Baolongda flange welcomes your selection.